this thing's low. Alright, so I've been contemplating. The fuck is that? Oh. It's my dash cam. Yeah, so I've been contemplating going out to get this camera for forever. And I was sitting at home today. I'm like, you know what? You only live once, right? I've been in need of an action. Oh shit! Ice on my window. I've been in need of an action cam for a while, and I need it especially for my business, so I can record clients. So yeah, let's see how it is. I've done a bunch of research and reviews on YouTube I've watched to see, to see exactly the quality of it, and it seems like a decent camera. So I figured, you know what? Might as well. I know it's what, $700 here, but I haven't bought a piece of camera and equipment in a while, so let's go see what it's like. Well, it's time to go home and unbox it. I ended up getting it. The Adventure combo in Canada cost $708.48 after taxes. So yeah, let's go home and unbox it and see what it looks like, or see what's in here. Okay, so I had to make like a little makeshift spot here where I work at to kind of do this, but I picked it up. The DJI, can't really see it, but DJI OSMO Action 5 camera, the action camera. So let's see what's in the box. I've been looking forward to getting this camera for a while now. Like, I've been scouring the internet, looking at reviews, just looking at, videos to see, what the footage looks like. I've noticed a lot of creators and just reviewers in general, a lot of time when they post their video, it doesn't look the best. And I'm realizing a lot of that is probably because a lot of the settings are straight out of camera. So whenever you go and buy something, you always make sure that, you do your due diligence to kind of see what settings you need to have when you actually get the device, because sometimes the straight out of the box settings won't give you the best quality, and you just have to look a little bit deeper to see what you need to do. So I got the Adventure combo. It has a few extras. I think the regular one just comes with the camera, a case, and obviously the battery and the charger. This one comes with the camera, 3 batteries, a battery charger, an extension rod, the case, adapter mount, and the cable. So I want to make sure I open this carefully. I don't like I keep all my boxes of things that I buy, so just in case in the future you end up selling it, you want to sell it with the box. Where the hell do you open this? Oops. Oh, there's another sticker right here. So I'm guessing this is the extension rod. It's kind of like a selfie stick, I guess you could say. Seems like it's good quality. It's a bit heavy. Yeah. And you got 2 boxes inside the box. So let's see. These boxes are so tiny, it's hard to believe that there's a camera actually in here. Let's open the first one, see what's here. Oh, it says Osmo Action 5 and one says accessories. So let's just look at the accessories real quick. So this is one of the mounts. The Osmo Action 5 has a magnetic mount, so it kind of just clips onto the bottom. So this is one of the mounts that it comes with. Charging cable. registration. Hand booklet, and this is the battery case. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was, but it's the action camera, so I guess everything's meant to be portable. And the reason why I even ended up getting this is because, like, I've been out in the field before, not so much with action cams but with regular cameras, but even with this, if you're out recording or doing something, the batteries, like having batteries is very important. And I think the price difference for the regular combo versus this one was like $150 something. So for you to go find this separately, find all these extra things separately, it's probably going to cost you more than that. So sometimes if you can, it's better for you to just get the deluxe or whatever package, whatever they would call it, depending on the brand that you get, so that you get the extra accessories. This one, it comes with the 3 batteries, so you never really have to worry about, you know, running out of battery while you're out on the run, and you can charge the case while you charge your batteries, so that's good. Is there anything else in here? That's it. Now for the big reveal. So I'll take out the case first. The case feels pretty heavy. Like, the last action camera I had was the GoPro GoPro 10, I think, black, and this feels like pretty heavy duty. Oh, okay, because there's stuff in here, that's why. But it still feels pretty good. So this is another one of the mounts that it comes with. I think this is the main one. This is the screws to attach the mounts to it, to the selfie stick. This is the case. You see the record button up here. And you slide it in here. And we have the camera. I'm not gonna lie, this looks premium. I don't know if you guys can see it well. 1 second. Yeah, this looks premium. I remember, like I said, I had the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and this feels like a lot more sturdy than that camera. I like the big lens on the front, the screen on the front that you have there. This camera has internal recording. That was a big thing for me too, because I haven't used SD cards in a while. My camera now uses a CF Express type B or C card. So I haven't ordered one. I know I have one somewhere around the house, but I have to go find it. So having the internal camera, have internal recording capabilities to where you could record up to 4 hours, I think, without needing an SD card is very important, because I don't know if a lot of cameras offer that. But the SD card would go in here if you had it. And you open this and you close it once you put your battery in. And let's see, there's a power button. So I just turned it on. I don't know if the glare is stopping you guys from seeing it, but first screen that you get to is the language screen. So obviously let's choose English. Scan the QR code. I'll skip it for this time, but I guess you have to activate it. Set date and time. It is 2025 February. Shoot. February 4th. So we'll put that. The time is 4:17 p.m. And I like how the screen feels. It's very responsive. Quick start guide. Shutter button. Press once to take photos or to record. Swipe left or right to change shooting mode, so you can go from photo to video. Your settings is here, your playback is here, your digital zoom is right here, battery levels up there. That shows you how much recording time left, so you have 3 hours left with the internal. Slow motion mode, subject tracking, super night, video, photo. So I want to make sure I have, oh, this is the photo mode, I think. How do I go? Oh, we go back here. So I'll probably be shooting at, I'm just going to go 2.7K for now, 24 frames. Ultra wide, and the rock steady mode is already on. Oh, I forgot to take this off. So yeah, one thing that's that I was really looking forward to is having an action camera with a front-facing camera. That's, you know, most of the cameras have it nowadays, but coming from a camera that didn't have it, it's actually a pretty useful feature to have on your camera. So I'm excited to see, or to start using it to see. All right, well, that's my unboxing. I'm gonna go through this camera and see exactly, you know, what the other features are and set up my settings. And yeah, hopefully I'll be recording some videos soon to let you guys know, or to show you guys how it works. Thanks for watching. Oop.